catching fish today.
How you can catch the fish?
They're throwing nets into the pond. We're in Cambodia right now. So.
Okay, we'll see how you catch a fish then.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, this one. Okay, this one. Okay. And this one. Okay, the one. Yes. Hey, look like that. Take photo first. Hello!
Video.
The guy from Singapore, he coming to Cambodia for fishing. Hopefully he will catch a lot of fish. He is a fish champion coming from Singapore. Okay, come. Doing that. Stronger or how? Very strong. Up. Up.
I just throw.
So yes.
And then use the body and twist and let go.
Up. Oh, okay.
You throw the string. It's surprisingly heavy.
Yeah, there's chains at the bottom.
Okay, but is it fun?
Yeah, it is. It's very fun.
It's very fun. So are you going to catch any fish today?
I'm gonna try.
Okay, good for you.
Yes, yeah.
It's hard work, right? You think fishing looks easy, right?
Yes.
Don't scare the fish,
No, like this is a professional one, right?
Yeah.
He is the real professional from Singapore school. So he was throwing catching the fish in the lake. More further, more further, more further.
Further, further.
Oh, more bigger, more bigger.
What's that?
Fish.
Let me see. Oh, it's moving. Okay.
It's called a fish.
That was caught by a professional.
Hey, this fish looks weird. It has eyes on its tail.
Eyes on his tail.
Can you catch fish? You put in here.
How?
First. No, it's okay.
Put it inside.
Try.
Try to unhook the fish.
This is a fish.
We're gonna start a fire here to grill the fish. So right now we're going to the tuk-tuk to get the supplies. This is the fishing net that we used just now. It was so heavy because of all these chains on the bottom weighing it down. All the black things you see there are chains.
Okay, can you see the fish?
The fish? Yeah, the fish are in there. We caught all these.
Wow,
This
this-
uncle country got the fish.
Okay.
It looks kind of disgusting. Oh my god. That's the inside.
And so you do
Do you
one
know
later.
why we need to cut the fish?
So it's like we can eat it.
Why?
This is the egg.
Wait, that's eggs?
Yes. This egg.
Oh,
So we don't need.
to eat the fish.
I'll cut my finger.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay, one more.
now.
Yeah.
It's left-handed.
Yeah.
And then
Slide it out.
yes.
Wait, what's that white thing? Plastic? What's that white thing?
This is the talang. This is
The air,
The
air thing.
for the buoyancy thing.
Yeah.
yes.
You see there it controls whether it float or sink. Right? By filling it with air. Yeah, it's a balloon.
Oh, this is egg. So a lot of egg. Yeah.
Oh. We're grilling the fish right now. We like put the grill on top of it. So now we're just tossing the fish onto the grill. There's a red ant nest right beside it, but I don't think they'll come too close to it. Caught a crab.
What is this?
I think it's a mud crab because we caught it in the mud next to the paddy field. So we dug into its burrow and just pulled it out. The pincers have been plucked off so it can't bite anymore. So yeah. Look at the camera.
不要太近也是啊。
This one, right?
Uh,
Okay, so this is a crab hole. The crab's probably inside its den right now. I'm gonna try and reach into the hole and pull it out. Will it bite?
First, you have to be able to feel it.
I can't feel it. The hole is too
really deep,
it's really narrow. My hand can't get in. There's hard soil. I can't get my hand in. I can't get my hand in.
Slowly, then dig it bigger. Make the hole bigger.
This crab
Oh.
was.
now we cut. Now we can cut. Okay.
Yeah, mine not.
But this crab we have a, how to say, the one with bigger one, huh?
This is bigger.
No, like the. See?
Oh, that's huge.
Yeah?
Wow, it bites so.
No, so you can catch this one like that, huh?
Uh-huh.
It's no
Catch so
bite,
that
like,
it,
okay.
so that it doesn't
Bite you.
bite you. Correct, huh? Right. Nice.
Should we release it?
This
No.
man. Say.
This is the crab that we caught. It's a big one. Compared,
This is a female one, huh?
it's a female.
How do you tell it's a female? Turn it around, is that?
See this
Turn it
one?
upside down. You see below. Ah.
Yeah.
If it's round,
Yes.
it's female. If it's sharp, it's male. Right?
This one. This is carry it. And you do this one. Take one. And put your finger like that. And then put inside. Yes. Correct. And mat to root, mat to cover all the bite. Mat leaves. Like that, I see. You see finger like that? You first. Okay. First
Follow.
finger.
Finger.
Finger like that. That. Stronger. Yes.
Ah.
Correct. Oh, slim.
What is it?
Slim.
Strip.
And then more. Yes. So that you decide your mom take photo. Come.
And so what are you doing?
Okay.
Yep, I'm planting the
Rice.
rice.
Again, try again.
Okay. Is it easy?
Yeah, this is the easiest part of what we did.
Yeah. You just have to do the whole field. Then you see whether easy or not.
Caught fish, caught crabs, and we had a picnic with the fish that we caught. Uncle Henry taught me how to catch fish and catch crabs.
And the
And
paddy?
plant the paddy things.
Is it fun?
Yeah, it's really fun. The most fun part is stepping in mud.
Like this?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Look at the whole paddy field behind you.
Oh. So this is the rice plants. This is what the rice plants look like after they are 2 months old, but we can't harvest them yet. After 1 month, they will become like this, and in about a week we can harvest them. So now we can take off the husks, and then we can see the rice
Green.
green. Yeah. Yes.
Wow.
That's the crab.
All that work for 1 grain of rice.
Yeah.